Hey, so thanks for joining me, and I want to let you know that we have a nice upcoming course on weeklies. So if you're interested in learning to trade weeklies, definitely check out this course, and we're doing a promotion on it. If you go to the tradersfly.com website and just start scrolling down, you'll see the options trading weeklies course right there. Now you can click learn more. It'll take you to the sales page. That's where you'll see about a 20% discount. So it's $100 off from the course. There's no coupon necessary. You just go through the checkout. The course is 55 videos right now, over 20 hours of training on weeklies, and the promotion will go until about September 25th. Now, if you're interested in grabbing this course, just go to our website, tradersfly.com, and you'll be kind of routed to where the link is. Go through the checkout process, and you'll be kind of all set. So if you go in, I want to show you kind of what this course looks like inside. So if you're interested in kind of saying, okay, well, what does it look like in here? And just show you here the courses area and the weeklies, because it's our demo account. You'll be able to see all the videos in there. So there's a ton of videos in there from just kind of the basics of trading weeklies to even weeklies as a long investment. So there's kind of trade strategies, and we do an introduction to what does it mean to do a weekly as a long investment, trading verticals, and then we do some trade examples that go with it, trading iron condors, and again we do kind of a description about it first, and then we go in and give you some trade examples. So this allows us to continue to kind of build on that. So if you take a look at all these lessons, we've got kind of a couple of basic fundamental things to trading weeklies. And then on top of that, you've got different components to different types of trades. So all these different types of trades or sections kind of will give you some more ideas and insights to trading different strategies. Now, if you only do iron condors, then you say, okay, well, that's why we've got at least the iron condor section. If you only do butterflies, that's why we got butterflies. And later on, as you expand, you'll have those trade examples, or maybe it'll give you ideas from, let's say you don't trade calendars. By watching the calendars, it might give you ideas for the iron condors. So you'll see some great examples there, and that's really the core of this course, is to show you a lot of examples. Now let me show you what a few of these things look like. So when you go ahead and let's say click one of these videos, you'll pop it up and you can hit play, and then we'll go on paper in some cases. So you can see kind of a video right here where we talk about things on paper. Then we might go into other times like a PowerPoint slide or just on screen demo. So we'll talk about planning things out, and then we might go on screen. And then later, as you go into trade examples, let's say we go into a trade example of like this one, like this would be Lowe's. Okay. Talking about, hey, what's a good loss? Some of them are winners, some of them are losers. Like this one's a loser, for example. But we go in and we kind of go through, you can see the days right here, like 11 days, then there's like 10 days to go, 9 days to go. So we kind of do a little bit of a countdown showing you what happens on a day-to-day basis. So there's a ton of trade examples in here, slightly directional calendars even. You can say, okay, well, what does that mean? How do I do these trades? How do I set them up? How do I enter these positions? And as we go through all of these examples, you'll get some insight of, you know, how they evolve, how they progress, and just kind of following them along. What's the profit, and managing some of those positions. So anyways, that's kind of the course. I highly encourage you to check it out. There is that discount on it if you're interested in grabbing that course. So go to our website. If you go to that tradersfly.com website, and then you can scroll down, you can see upcoming trading weeklies right there. And once you're there, go through the checkout process and you should get access to the course. So we're going to continue to add a few new videos over the next couple of weeks and some more trade examples. And if you think there's any missing, just let us know and I'll add them over the next month or two with time. If you're struggling to log in or anything, you reach out to the team. There's a live chat over here that you could leave a message on, or go to the contact page. You could send us a text message, and we try to make sure we connect with you as best as possible, right? We're not 24/7, but we try to get back to you as quick as we can. So anyway, that's it. Hope you join me. Truly appreciate you sticking with me. Feel free to check the link in the description below. Class is or course is launching next week. You can already purchase it right now ahead of that, but we're just doing some final tidying up right now and getting the last few videos kind of up and running. So thanks again, and hopefully I'll see you in the course.